Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are coming across an message that says the Windows resources protection could not start the repair services. So if you are trying to run the system file checker utility scan, let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type cmd. Want to click run as administrator. Over here click yes user control and want to type net space start net start space trusted trusted installer net space start space trusted installer. Press enter guys. Started successfully, and now you want to scan command. You want to do it sfc space slash scannow sfc space slash scannow. Press enter. Being system scan, this process will take some time guys. Being verification phase of system scan, this 1% verification need to get 100%. After finishing this, go and restart your PC. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely work for you guys. Thanks for watching my video.